Welcome back. And now a look at sports happening in the state.
Salgaonkar FC thrashed East Bengal by 3-1 at I-League match in Fatauda on Saturday.
Very happy that we got these 3 points against a tough team like East Bengal. I always knew that if he could defend well, we could go forward and create chances, and was praying that we could convert to them. We did that.
Very disappointing because in the last 2 matches we played well. We are coming up step by step. At least this match we want at least 1 point we needed. So very disappointing.
Meanwhile, Walkie Talkies, a program on walkathon, was organized in Kolwa on Sunday.
Walkie Talkies is organized to create awareness amongst, different lifestyle diseases like we have cancer, we have heart attack and diabetes on the verge, which is increasing. So this is affecting the youth also today. So I think it's high time now that people know and are educated that, we need to walk in order to prolong our living.
Reporter Savidayas for Prudent.
Classical, Indian and Western performances at Monte Festival by Fundacao, Oriente and Cidade, Goa kept the music and dance lovers enthralled. The event is underway at Our Lady of Mount, Old Goa for the 13th year. Artists from across the world are down in the state to be part of the celebration of heritage, music and dance. Watch the glimpses of the Monte Fest. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.